Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Daily. Okay, that was a lot for like a lot, but you know what I mean? I just gotta be extra with everything. So I'm coming to y'all again with another indie brand. This is one that I found on Facebook. It is called Cutie Pop, and I'm going to be doing their Cutie Pop. I think it's the Candyland. Yeah, it's the Candyland palette. I'm gonna link their website down below. But I have dipped into this a little bit. Y'all excuse my mirror. I broke it. It broke it. I broke it. But y'all, I got a big tail mirror. Just FYI. And look at these colors. Y'all, look at these colors. I just love the outside of it. Like, the outside, and mine is dirty. Excuse me. All them spots wouldn't be on y'all's. But I love, like, the color of it. It's so pretty. My daughter get a twinge bit older, and she want to play in some makeup. I'm actually probably going to get her a couple of these products just because they're pretty. But it has so many assortment of colors in here. It is ridiculous. I'm going to put up here what it does retail for. And it's very economical because you do get 30 shadows in this palette. And they're nice pan sizes because I got some in the pan size like this too. Big. Today we are going to be doing a navy blue, sky blue, blue type of look. I don't even know why I want to do blue right now, but I do. So that's what we're doing. Okay, so without further ado, let's jump on in. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. I did finish the rest of my face. And I put on me a wig. I did review the unit that I do have on. So be on the lookout for that video as well, because it's budget friendly, y'all. This palette though, y'all, I know I came to y'all at first and said I was going to do like blue, but I actually ended up doing blue, purple, and pink. And I did use one of her glitters. There we go, so y'all can see that. It is so pretty. I do not do glitter that often, so y'all forgive me because I don't know the name of the glitter, because I purchased a bag of glitters, a glitter bundle, so I didn't get the names of all of them, but I'm sure you can find it on the site. But yeah, just to talk about this palette, it is so pigmented, y'all. Y'all literally saw that I did not cut my crease, and the color payoff was still there, even on the pinks, the purples, everything. Like, it was just so pretty. I'm really feeling this look. And if y'all hear that music in the background, sorry. I know I said it before, but my neighbors are having a party. And the lip that I do have on is the Cutie matte lippy, and it is in Problems, 99 Problems. I will say that I actually had to let this all the way dry down before I could let my lips touch, because if I didn't, it kept coming off. So that's just FYI. But I think this is a really pretty look. I am really feeling it. And y'all, I'm trying to step out of my box for y'all to come to y'all with some more color, some more in. The lashes I have on, you guys ask me all the time about them, and the young lady who was selling them doesn't sell these anymore. But I'm gonna do some digging and find some for you guys that look just like this, with a couple of other people that I do know that sell lashes, and ones that are affordable. So make sure y'all subscribe. I was about to say like boop boop, but I want y'all to subscribe for me. Do me a favor, you know what I'm saying? Like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you think of this look. Tell me what you think of me stepping out my box. Let me know if you want this hair review on this unit that I do have on, because it's budget friendly, like for real, y'all. It's something you can wear every day to work. Y'all just talk to me. Let me know. But make sure you share this with a friend. Make sure that you turn on your notifications. I want you to be my friend. I want you to be my friend. But I will see y'all in the next video. See you in the next video. I was off beat. Okay, try this again. See you in the next video. Oh, see you in the next video. Oh, see you in the next video. Bye, my